Whiskers?
Meow.
Oh my god, it's really you.
Meow.
How's it going up there? At least I hope you're up there.
Meow.
I mean, I don't know. You brought back a lot of birds.
Meow.
Practically a flock.
Meow.
Generations were lost to you. That's a war crime.
Meow.
I appreciate the gesture. It's just those kind of numbers should count for something, at least. Purgatory.
Meow.
Or maybe in your case, purgatory. Purgatory. Nothing really. It's I don't know. It's nice to hear from you, man. It really is.
It's a bit straining.
Mm.
And it looks like we're out of time.
Really? Already?
$20 buys you an extra 10 minutes.
Think I've already made my peace.